Autism Acceptance Month, meaning it is Autism Acceptance Month, which takes place every month during the month of April, to raise awareness and support for people with autism spectrum disorders. The month's commemoration is frequently marked with educational events that focus on understanding what it means to be autistic, as well as the problems and discrimination that autistic individuals encounter. To complement the frequently publicized Autism Awareness Month, Autism Acceptance Month was established in 2010. The focus of Autism Awareness Month, as well as some of the organizations that promote it, has sparked controversy among autistic persons and their advocates. In particular, they criticize the goals of some organizations as being ableist since they are perceived to treat autistic and other neurodivergent people as if they are in need of curing or rehabilitation. The month is sometimes referred to as World Autism Awareness Month. When does Autism Acceptance Month take place? During the month of April, Autism Acceptance Month is honored.